Lecture 14. Common mistakes to avoid when using NotebookLM. Have you ever gotten a weird or totally unhelpful response from NotebookLM and thought, this tool just doesn't work? Chances are it was not the tool, it was how it was being used. In this lecture, we are going to look at the most common mistakes students make when using NotebookLM. These mistakes can slow you down, confuse your learning, or even lead you in the wrong direction. The good news? They are all easy to fix once you know what to look out for. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this lecture, you will be able to identify common errors users make when interacting with NotebookLM, understand how these mistakes affect the quality of answers, apply simple strategies to avoid confusion, wasted time, and misinformation. Mistake 1. Uploading unrelated or unorganized files. NotebookLM works best when the sources in your notebook are relevant to each other. Uploading a mix of random articles, class notes, or unfinished drafts makes it harder for the tool to find patterns or answer your questions accurately. Fix it. Create separate notebooks for different subjects or assignments. Label each file clearly so you and the tool know what's inside. Mistake 2. Asking vague or overloaded questions. Questions like, "What does this mean?" or "Help me with this file" are too broad, and stacking 3 or 4 questions into one prompt often lead to scattered or incomplete answers. Fix it. Be specific. Break your request into smaller parts. Try asking one thing at a time and build from there. Mistake 3. Not reading or checking the source yourself. NotebookLM is not a substitute for reading. If you like completely erased summaries without reviewing the original document, you could miss context, misinterpret tone, or end up with shallow understanding. Fix it. Use NotebookLM as a starting point, not the final word. Always skim the actual document, especially for assignments that involve close reading or analysis. Mistake 4. Ignoring citations and attribution. If you use a quote, idea, or summary that NotebookLM helped you find, but you don't cite the original source, that's academic dishonesty, even it was unintentional. Fix it. Whenever NotebookLM refers to a document or extracts content, go back to the source, verify the information, and cite properly. Mistake 5. Expecting AI to think for you. NotebookLM can organize, summarize, and explain, but it doesn't know what you're trying to argue, prove, or understand. That's your job. Fix it. Use AI to support your thinking, not replace it. Stay engaged, question the results, and make the final call yourself. AI tools are only as smart as the people using them. The more intentional you are about your questions, your files, and your thinking, the better NotebookLM will work for you. Avoiding these common mistakes will save you time, sharpen your results, and help you stay on track academically. It's not just about using AI, it's about using it well.